Good morning, everyone. It is nice to be here. I'm going to be having a review of this crypto platform that promised to give you about 25%, to 20% per day. Okay, is that not crazy? Okay, meaning that if you actually invest some of your money now, probably invest like $1,000 within 4 or 5 days, you must have gotten back your capital, isn't it? So I'm going to be having a deep dive review into the platform now. All right, so I want you to stick around to know my final thought on this. Okay, and possibly know how to review platforms like this. I get a lot of questions on WhatsApp, on Telegram, like, oh, I want you to review this project for us. I want you to have a look at it. Okay. So by watching this review, okay, you are also learning how to review project by yourself. Okay. So even though I just have some level of experience, probably more than you, but these things are not hard. That's something you can do, by yourself. So this is Temu, okay, Temu US VIP, okay, Temu US VIP. So that's the platform that we're going to be having a look at today. So before we actually have a deep dive, I want us to sign up first. Okay, so I'm going to say DD did. Can you see that? Then another D, all right, at gmail.com. All right, that is the email. So I'll copy this. So I'll copy this email. Okay, then I'll paste it here for login password. Now paste it here to confirm it. Security password. Um, this also. Then we had the number here like oh, okay. All right. So we had just a random WhatsApp number right there. Okay, we don't know what's the WhatsApp number. Okay, we just hope that the number doesn't belong to someone. So we're gonna sign up now. All right. So can you see we were able to sign up successfully. So you're able to sign up right now, and they're going to be giving you $200 bonus. When you just start on the platform, like it is waiting for you, isn't it? So they're expecting you to deposit some money. All right. So and that money is going to be in crypto stable coin. All right. So and the reason why I'm having a look at this is because the relying on cryptocurrency for payment. All right, they are relying on cryptocurrency for payment, and if they are relying on cryptocurrency for payment, they definitely it is something that I need to look out for because this channel is dedicated to crypto analysis, crypto trading and all that, and investment. So this is a platform. They have a couple of missions you want to achieve. So if you invest into this is a VIP one, VIP two, depending on your capital level. So if you had probably like you had like 11 $11 to this 200 that they're giving to you, then you are qualified for VIP one. Then if you had extra $60 to what you're seeing here, then you qualify for VIP two. So basically, to qualify, you just have to add the balance. Okay, add the balance for this one for 3,500. Sorry, for $3,500 VIP six. Okay, all you have to do is to add 3,300 to make it 3,500. So if you do that, then you're able to qualify for those ones. So this is the member list. You can see these are the members, GCC at hotmail.com, invested this amount of money. This is the members list right there and different VIP levels. Honestly, this is not correct. So all of this $34,000, people cannot really invest 34,000 into this. I doubt it. Okay. Well, some people have this money so let's go to mission. Okay, this is the mission here. Okay, this is where you see if you follow your account, so you will see some mission that you could actually invest into possibly. Okay, so for the team, you can see different levels for team. You can see level one, level two, then level three. So it means that if you farm up to the platform, then you get some commission from that transaction. Probably like I think 10% or 20% of that transaction. So this is for the VIPs. You can see all right, you can see the VIP. So if you invest $11, they're gonna be giving you $1.8 every day. Okay, so it means that within few days your money is back to using it. So maybe like 6 days, 5 days, or 7 days, I'm not sure. So your money will be back to you. So if you invest For this package, you're going to be getting $10. If you invest $60, you're going to be getting $10.3 every day. So within 6 days, then your money is back with extra profit, right? So that is the concept of their daily VIP programs. So um, then let us check out some other things about the platform. Okay, let us go back to the home tab and then even explore the home tab for that. This is the deposit. So if you want to deposit now, you have to come here. You have to come here, then you will come here. Then you have to copy this address. Okay, this is the Tron wallet address right there. Can you see? This is the Tron wallet address. Then you send the money to this address. Then you are able to make your deposits. Okay, then you can withdraw. You can download the mobile app for Android devices. Can you see that right there? So you click on this for Android. Okay, to take you to this platform to download it. Can you see? So let me pause that. I'm interested in it. Okay, so they have a mobile app for it. So this, if you scroll down, you can see their chats. This is their chats right here. Okay, you want to chat them up on Telegram. So this is their Telegram channel. Okay, on the Telegram channel right now, they have let me say they have over 6,000 subscribers. Okay, and this is their package. For each task of VIP4, 4% for each task. For VIP4, you get 4% of your money every time. Okay, so don't look at that. So if you're opting for VIP9, you're gonna be making like $10,700 every day. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. So if you look at that, this guy started in August 7th. Okay. Probably today is August 19th or what? That's about 12 days ago. So they started about 12 days ago. Okay. And the point doesn't the Ponzi is actually making the waves right now. Okay. Because what they are doing here is Ponzi. Okay, there is nothing more than that. Because if you look at the websites here, there is absolutely no product they're selling. Okay, they are selling no product, they're not offering any service. Okay, except the only service that these guys are rendering is that they are doing a cash rotation. So they take from the late investor, they give to the early investors. That's it. So if you click on the company profile, so what profile do you expect to see here other than this? Okay, this is what you see on their company profile. So is this how a company profile is supposed to look? Okay, ask yourself right now. Is this how a company profile is supposed to look? So we sincerely invite you to whatever, can you say levels, VIP1, VIP2. Can you imagine the company profile? So basically, these guys don't have any identity. Okay, whether on the internet or offline, they have absolutely no identity. Okay, so you want to talk to their customer support. What did you see there? Okay, nothing whatsoever. Okay, you cannot actually talk to the customer support. Can you see? That is the only option that you have. Okay, and even when you join this channel, you can see chat is not enabled on this channel. Chat is not enabled on this channel. Can you see? So probably they have another one where you can actually send a message maybe to someone here. Okay, that's a private a DM. You can see something like hello, something like this. All right. So they have probably let me check. You know, okay, that's fine. That's fine. So you can send message to one of their support members, and that is quite not good enough actually. The reason is that okay, can you say this guy you replied now? Okay, but the Telegram account can be deleted at any point in time. And in some cases, you don't even require the phone number to have the Telegram account. In some cases, so there is no I can trace these guys. You should know that. Then if you go back to the first few minutes of the video, you can see how I was able to sign up with something like this. Okay, with something like this. Okay, this was my password. Okay, this was my login password, my security password, and everything. Can you see it? So a platform like this, this guy does not even send a confirmation mail to anyone before they sign you up. No confirmation email, nothing whatsoever. Just input a random phone number, a random email address, then you're good to go. So what they are basically interested in is your money. Okay, and that's really what matters. All right, that is basically what matters to them. Okay, anything else is nothing. So you can just put just one as gmail.com, just one or two to go through. Okay, so that is the kind of platform that you are actually registering on. Okay, so But in the next few days, these guys might not exist anymore. Okay, and if you're just investing into the platform now, then your money will have been gone. Okay, and one thing that like I kind of like about these guys is that they don't even want to stress you. Just bring your money. This factory you are saying is not real. Just designed with Canva or designed with CorelDRAW or something. Okay, because you are seeing the factory like a name on maybe like this is where they are producing all of these things. No, it doesn't really work like that. So we've had platforms like this in the past, like what's one of these guys? You know, uh, several of them, I've forgotten their names really. They'll tell you they're selling wristwatches, they're selling perfumes, they're selling computers, they're selling miners and all that. But it's not true. What they're doing is cash rotation and nothing more than that. Okay. So I don't even need to dig further. Okay, I don't need to do further analysis, because it not even stress me at all. Okay, so it is obviously a Ponzi scheme. So know exactly what you're getting into before you commit your funds. All right. So there's any project you want to review? Okay. I think I saw Dogley. Someone said I should review Dogley. So if there's any project you want to review, then definitely let me know. Let me know. Okay, I'm going to try my best to actually review that project for you. So someone sent me a message on Telegram. I guess I should check Dogley. So probably in the next few hours, maybe like the tomorrow or next tomorrow or something like that, I'm actually have a deep dive into Dogley and see if it's legitimate or not. Okay, so that's the end of today's review. So instead of investing your funds in platforms like this, in funds like this, it makes sense to learn, how to do a technical analysis, analyze charts, look for entry levels, this is sustainable. Okay, this is sustainable and it can serve you for a very, very long time, all right, than Ponzi schemes. Okay, because you actually interacting with the financial market, the global financial markets. Okay, that even makes more sense. So learn how to actually do this, and it makes more sense than investing into Ponzi schemes. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay, and turn on notification. Watch some of the videos, the reviews, technical analysis, the bounties, the airdrops, they're all here. They're all available here on the channel. So these are even way better than chasing shadows and running after Ponzi's all the time. So I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day.